and this is Cherry Nutrition page. Today I'll show you very easy recipe, one of my favorite whole grain buckwheat with shrimp. Buckwheat is full of essential nutrients. There is manganese, which can prevent our healthy metabolism, copper and magnesium for our heart health, iron and phosphorus, which play a great role in maintenance and growth our body tissue, and of course shrimp, which is a great source of protein. It contains omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, which is essentially important for our bones health. Enjoy and stay healthy.